Hey there, today we're going to look at how to find a MetroBank account number. So let's get started. First, check your welcome letter or email where you would have received your 12-digit customer number. Over here, if you've forgotten it, you can log into the MetroBank app and go to the More menu. After that, go to Settings and select My Details. Your ID will be shown under your name. Then you can also receive it by SMS by providing a few details on the login page. You can visit a Metro Bank store as well. Personal customers can call 03450808 Business customers can call 34508 The business team is available between 8 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. Outside these hours, you can contact 34508 And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in